Ayan. Winter wonderland na naman dito sa Alberta. Nakita niyo yung kotse doon nasa beach. Meron din isa kanina doon. Good morning guys! Ayan po, papunta tayo ngayon dito sa isang Christmas market dito sa may Southeast Calgary, ang Spruce Meadows International Christmas Market. First time namin magpupunta sa mga Christmas market dito. So sabi nila itong Spruce Meadows maganda daw to, malaki daw siya. So let's see kung okay nga siya. Yeah, magkano lang, tingin lang tayo dun kung may makita rin tayo magandang panregalo. So antayin siguro natin yung lights mamayang gabi. Maaga pa kasi, it's only 10:23 right now. Guys, medyo malamig siya ngayon. Actually, minus 15. No. Minus 15 yata ngayon. Malamig sa kamay. Tsaka sa legs. Pero syempre, layering pa rin tayo. Kaya, pati yung mga bata. Meron mga heat tech sa loob. Uniqlo na heat tech. Para hindi masyadong malamig. Mga puno dito kasi punong-puno ng snow. Ayan. Ano mag-picture dito, oh? Ayan, oh. Look at the snow. So pretty. Ano ba to? Oh, donkey ba to? Ano ba to? Horses ba to? Ba't ang balahibo? Hindi.
Wait till later. They'll get one. It's warmer.
Yeah, it's warmer later. Mga 5 eh. Baka gusto nyo bumili.
Ice also? Sure. Are you into spicier than spicy? I have the doner and the taco is mild. Maybe I'll do the taco.
Sarap siya. You're gonna try it. Andre, what's that?
We'll be back though. Be back.
Barley is good. Ayan yung mga ano nila, soup.
I can give you soup and a pies.
Simple salmon pie. Masarap siya.
Dalhin mo na to.
Ayan, sige. Ayan. Ha?
Hello there.
Chicken and mushroom.
What? I'm videoing you.
Welcome to our house.
It's a house tour. What is it?
Welcome. We're doing a house tour. We're downsizing now. So ito po ang aming bagong naming bahay. Ito po ang minimalist approach. Walang mga gamit. Diba? Pakita mo yung buong bahay, babes, kung gano'n siya kalaki. Ang bahay na to ay $200,000 lang po. 200,000 ka pa makakahanap. Diba? Sobrang Christmas feels dito sa lugar na to. Ayan. Kahit malamig, ang ganda ng vibe. Very Christmassy. Puro pagkain ang hinahanap namin. ganda. Oh, let's take a picture. Ang ganda talaga ng mga puno. Antayin natin kapag may lights na. Pag sa gabi. Ang ganda pala dito, guys. Ayan. It's so nice. Love it. Ang lamig. My hands are frozen. My hands are frozen right now. My hands are frozen.
It's apple cider.
Apple cider? Okay. Bibili daw si Richard. Ngayon na habang walang pila. And there. Later? Yeah. Woo! Yung Christmas tree, tabunan na ng snow. Tingnan mo yung Christmas tree, babes. White. This is good. I bought it from this store. No one. Arepa boss.
I got it for this. That one is Tibeta.
Got the turkey legs. Looks yummy. Hindi ko na sila makita. Mamayang gabi maganda sana to yung mga lights pag nakabukas na. Kita nyo yung mga kabayo. Namumuti. It's cool. What's in there? Horses?
Animals.
Oh, huh?
Reindeer.
Reindeer? No. Oh, donkeys. Oh, look at that. Doon, here. Look at that. Donkeys. You see it, Andre? Oh, this one. What's this? Horses. May mori. Ang cute. Keep quiet daw. Rudolph is here. Rich, let's take a picture here. You can play later. Books by Mark. $5 each. What's that? Oh, it's Girl Guide cookies. Can you buy some? I like that. See? Can you buy one? The mint. Mint. Yeah, mint. Oh, the kids. 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 There's lots of food here. Sinners to Saints brand. Racing from sin to sanctity. What else? Things to grow. Kindness. These are nice. this is about.
How do you get the thing?
Now walk around.
Zero five daw.
Oh yeah.
Ano? Bakit?
Push pin.
Kung ano na yung mga na-travelan mo? Oh, it's 149. That's good. Nice.
Yeah. So good.
Yes,
Why so
ang bango. Mini donuts. Smells good.
I can't resist.
So good. Smells so good. Why was it smoking donuts? Girls. So cool. Look, Daddy. May nag-ano dito, ice sculpture. Grabe, ang lamig ngayon. Whew. Marami ding mga food trucks here, mga pagkain. Sarap din sila. We're done here. 3 hours lang kami. Hindi na namin maantay yung pagdilim para makita yung mga lights kasi nalibot na namin lahat. And wala naman kami masyadong binili. Namasya lang talaga. Tsaka mostly, pag mga ganito farmers market, yung mga any kind of mga ganitong mga markets. Usually, pagkain lang ang binibili ko. So, bumili lang kami ng mga pies, soup. Filipino yung mga andoon. So, yung Simon Pies and Soup yata ang pangalan niya. Yun, masarap siya. Yun lang, uwi na kami. And we're done for today.